Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain a little about customer surplus and producer surplus. Understanding line and series. In general, a sequence is a list of numbers that order from left to right. Each sequence of numbers also has certain characteristics or patterns. Each number is the row is a quarter in the row itself. Meanwhile, a series is the sum of the terms of a line. For example, there is a key in other words. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers that has the same difference between adjacent terms. We can call this difference differently. The symbol is B, yes, and arithmetic series is the sum of the first term is an arithmetic series. Sequence and series formula. Arithmetic sequence formula is UN equal A plus N minus B. Information. First, A equal 1 is first term in arithmetic sequence. 2. B is different arithmetic sequence or UN minus UN1. There N is the number of terms. N is number of turn, UN number of not term. Arithmetic series formula is N equal N to A plus UN or as N equal N to UA plus N minus 1 and B. Information. A is UN or first term is an arithmetic sequence. B is difference an arithmetic sequence equal UN minus 1, where is the number of term, N is number of term, UN number of nth term, is N is sum of the first n term. Arithmetic sequence and series in everyday life is term of the that linear row and the series can be useful in everyday life. You know what as example like. First, determine the number of matchsticks to make a triangular toy pattern. 2. Determine the number of dancing members is the arrangement form an arithmetic sequence. Determine the number of spectators at level of the stand. Usually, each level of the stand has different number of seats. Difference between sequence and series. The sequence is a still sequence of number, but for a series is already an addition operation of the number. In terms of the formula, it is also different. The sequence formula is used to determine the nth term of pattern of arithmetic number, while series formula are used to determine the result of adding term or arithmetic number. There is an arithmetic sequence is 3, 6, 9, and 12, and 18. First, determine the value of middle term of arithmetic series. 2. determine what term is the middle term of the arithmetic sequence. Solution. First, A is 3, B equal U2 minus U1, C equal 6 minus 3 equal 3, UN is 18, X is UT and T. Answer. First, UT. UT equal 1 to A plus UN. UT equal 1 to 3 plus 18, UT equal 1 to 18, UT is 14 2. 2 is UN. UN is A plus N minus 1 B. 18 equal third plus N minus 1 third. N minus 1 equal 18 minus third. And 26 plus 1 and 20 T equal 1 2 and plus 1 T 1 2 27 plus 1 T 1 2 28 T equal 14.